Alright, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new iPhone 17 Pro screen protector. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go take a look at it. So we literally just opened up the iPhone, want to make sure it's fully secured. So let's go ahead and put this new screen protector. This one is by SMARTDEVil. Should be an easy install. They do make them for 17 Pro Max, regular 17. This one's for the 17 Pro. It's the tempered glass. So as you can see, this will help us install it on there. Different kits. And they actually give you 2 screen protectors for it and some more information on it. So let's go ahead and actually install it on our new iPhone and actually see how it looks. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let my wife install it since she's better at these anyway. But as you can see, after cleaning the screen and lining it up, all you use is that alignment tray. It just snaps on. That keeps the glass in perfect position from the drop-down install. Super simple and no guesswork. Once it's in place, press in the center and you'll see it automatically starts to bond with the phone screen. That self-sealing effect spreads out evenly and you'll notice barely any bubbles. If anything does show up, they're usually easy to push out with a finger or a claw. Now let's talk specs real quick. This is a real tempered glass. Not one of those flimsy plastic protectors. It's strong enough to handle scratches, drops, and even a few clumsy pocket moments. It's also got an anti-reflective coating, so it reduces glare and it gives you that crisp, clear display whether you're indoors or outdoors. Another thing we noticed, it has a coating that helps resist fingerprints and smudges, which keeps the screen looking clear. You still get that smooth original glass feel and all the touch gestures work like normal. No lag, no pressure issues. And last, it's case friendly. You can see there's a little space around the edge, so it won't lift when you throw a case on it. It's snug but safe. So if you guys are looking for a new screen protector for your iPhone, definitely come to SMARTDEVil. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.